How to change upper caps letters to lowercase in MS Word. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the uppercase sentences or words into lowercase without actually removing and retyping them. So in many of your situations in real world, you might have come across these types of issues when a large amount of text is either in lowercase or uppercase and you want to change it. So in this particular document, as you can see here, this particular sentence which starts from here and ends here is currently in uppercase. So what we are going to learn is to simply with just a few clicks is convert them to lowercase. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply select that particular body of sentence which is in uppercase. So in this particular condition, I'm gonna select this particular phrase or sentence of text which is in uppercase, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is click onto this particular icon which stands for the change case button. The change case button enables us to change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalizations. So once you will click onto this change case button, you can see a number of different options from here. So you can either choose to convert it into a sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, or a toggle case as well. So in a sentence case, it follows the structures of a sentence. In a lowercase, all the capitalized or the uppercase selected sentence will be converted into lowercase. If you will choose this to uppercase, then it will give it no additional change as it is already in uppercase. And then the capitalize each word will capitalize each word in the sentence, and then it is the toggle case, which is the reverse of the capitalized case, where the first alphabet of a word will be in small case, and whereas the other will be in uppercase. So since we want to convert the uppercase into lowercase, you simply need to select the second option that says lowercase, and here you can see with just a few clicks we have successfully changed the case of a sentence in Microsoft Office Word. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.